Today, we're diving into a thrilling learning pack from STEAM Volume 2 Mega Bundle, Intro to Microbiology. While this unit is designed for ages 12 and up, we couldn't contain our excitement and decided to embark on this educational journey with a younger audience. Specifically, kids aged 4 to 7. Let's talk about the value of teaching kids about microscopes and what makes it so incredible. First up, we've got the anatomy of a microscope. It's like learning about the superhero gadget of science. Next, we've got the Guess the Magnified Images game. It's all about sparking curiosity. Now, let's get hands-on with the microscope lab cheek cells. For this experiment, we're collecting cheek cells, which are tiny parts of our own bodies. You won't hurt yourself. Cheek cells come off easily. It's like a gentle tickle. To make things more exciting, you can add a drop of diluted food coloring. It's like painting a microscopic masterpiece. Teaching kids about microscopes opens a whole new world. It sparks their curiosity, helps them understand the tools of science, and makes learning an adventure. Who knows, one day these little scientists might make incredible discoveries that change the world. So there you have it, an exciting sneak peek into the world of microbiology for our young explorers. Remember, learning is all about having fun and staying curious.